Make this homemade soap and your pots will shine like a mirror. To start this tip today, I will use a soap, then we will cut the soap completely to facilitate the preparation of the tip. I'm sure this mixture will bring ease in cleaning in your day-to-day. Now I will cut 2 limes into small pieces, will facilitate the preparation. Then I will put the limes in a blender, and then add 500 milliliters of water. The acidity contained in the lemon is one of the main items for this mixture. I'm gonna turn on the blender until the limes are shredded. Next, I will use a sieve and put all the liquid in a pan. Only liquid is needed in this tip. We will also add the soap we cut earlier. The ideal will be to melt all the soap, so we will take to the low heat and mix constantly. As soon as we remove the pan from the fire, we will also add a tablespoon of baking soda. It is one of the main items of this mixture, assisting directly in the acidity contained in the lemon. Baking soda has a great degreasing action, and this mixture is indispensable. Tell me if you've ever done a hint with lime, I'd love to know. I hope this tip is useful for you. I never stop using this mixture in my home. To finish the mixture, let's put in a container with the model you prefer, and then let it cool for 3 hours or until the mixture hardens. And so the soap is already ready for use. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Irene Evans from Canada. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. Just with a sponge or steel sponge, without much effort, I can completely remove any dirt or even stains contained in the pots. The acid effect of lime is what makes this soap better than conventional ones. For sure, this cheap and easy tip to prepare will help a lot in cleaning your day-to-day. This soap will be so useful that you will for sure indicate to friends and family. Thank you for watching this video so far. See you in the next video. Bye.